Hello, and welcome to another HVACQuick product spotlight. Today we wanted to talk about the Amaircare 3000 HEPA filter system for your house. This is a portable roll-around device that's on wheels, enabling you to move it room to room or wherever the area of need is most. The 3000 will serve an area about 1,700–1,800 square feet, so roughly the size of the average American house. It has the Amaircare 3-stage filtration system. So there's a pre-filter to get just general filtration done, a VOC filter canister, which is going to help absorb a lot of the paint fumes, glues, and things like that from new construction, as well as a HEPA filter, which stands for High Efficiency Particulate Arrestor, and that will filter down to 0.3 microns, which is very, very small, and will get pretty much all of the allergens and dust out of the air for you. And that can protect you against the coming allergy season as well as the smoke season, which we will probably get here on the West Coast. If you have any questions about this, please give us a call, 888-855-7229, or email sales@HVACQuick.com.